Mark Shelo Di Santos. I'm 18 years old po, and I'm from Jopa, Pampanga, and I'm currently studying at National University Clark po, and I'm a nursing student.
Judges?
I candidate number 25. You're just 18 years old. Ano height?
6'2" po.
Sa tingin mo, yung height, may factor ba ito para makuha ka sa screening?
Yes po.
Okay. Tell me about yourself. Tell me more about yourself. What's your talent? Educational background?
Wala po talent. Basketball player din po ako. To my previous school po, Ole Angel University.
Saan ka sa Batangas?
Pampanga po.
Pampanga.
Is this your first national pageant?
Yes po. Actually, first pageant po po. For one runway lang po kasi ako.
Okay. On the lighter side, tell something more about yourself, your hobbies, favorite color, ilan kayo magkakapatid.
Yung hobbies ko po is apat po kami kakapatid, dalawa po lalaki, dalawa po babae.
Okay, hello, candidate number 25. Do you have any talents?
I don't have po.
You don't have any talent. So anyway, what is your advocacy in life?
My advocacy po is provide mentorship po for the young generation because so that po hindi po sila maliligaw na ng class and ma-achieve po nila yung mga goals nila. Yun lang po.
And how would you be able to reach these youths?
Sorry po?
Paano mo sila maaabot to really share your advocacy to them?
Ano po, gaya po nito, pagsama po ng mga pageants and ano po, yun lang po.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 2.
Okay, last question for you. This is your first pageant ever. Okay, why did you join Mr. Grand Philippines?
I joined Mr. Grand Philippines po to embrace myself and to step out from my comfort zone po and to grow po.
Okay, I think we're good. Thank you, Conte.
Thank you, contestant number 25. From
Sorry, can I
Hey,
Sorry. Kasi you're 18 years old pa lang, tsaka first pageant mo. So this is a very, for sure, sobrang overwhelming tong experience. Mas lalo na Mr. Grand na naman yung pageant ko. So before you leave, I just want to give you a piece of advice as you start your pageant journey. Pag may nagtatanong ng question, try mo as much as possible na tell a personal story. You could answer yes or no, pero mas maganda if we get to know who you really are. Or just take that for your for any next opportunities that will come, or if you move forward sa competition. Okay, yun lang. Thank you.
So much po.
Thank you, Mark Shelo Santos from